All right, visual sound, dual tap delay, or True Tone dual tap delay. This thing's got individual channels here you can run together or separate. It's got a global tap switch, which affects both channels. These little switches here, you can switch from either manual delay mode or tap mode. So you can adjust it with the knob or with the tap button. You've got subdivisions, 4 different subdivisions. You got a tone knob for each delay. So this is what the right side sounds like. If you want to darken that, you can roll the tone back. So the first repeat is always nice and bright, but then they do kind of roll off. Versus if it's all the way up. So again, very cool pedal. Obviously, if you want to do manual delay time, you can do a nice slap thing. Or obviously you can go full on. So you can get about a second of delay out of it. Again, you switch it over to tap. All right, the other side, the same exact thing, except you got modulation. Obviously, you can get a little seasick if you want it. I think it sounds good right about 1 o'clock. The cool thing about this is that you can run it together and cascade these into each other. And especially when you set it up with the tap. So I've got one side now that's going, the other side is going. So you put them together. And obviously you can tweak with that. So you can switch it to go the other way too, if you want to do super cool pedal, very versatile, nice kind of tape-ish sounds. You got 2 outputs on the back. You've got buffered bypass, just a fantastic pedal.